This is PewDiePie, a 3D model made in a previous video. See rigs itself 0.10% free dot accurate 0.0. It even rigs the hands. Legit rigged its hands dot perfect dot first goal. Now just find a free animation you don't wanna use. Now export. Now add a dot to Blender. Export it as .dlb file. Import it into GDev. Just like that dot is imported dot obviously, you need to tweak and .etc dot. But this is the basics, read the DESC dot for all links.